Good morning everyone and welcome back to another vlog. I'm just chilling in my office. It is a Saturday morning. I'm so excited it's the weekend and I'm really excited to be vlogging. I've got a really fun sociable weekend planned which I'm going to vlog for you guys. So I wanted to take some time out this morning to have a bit of self-care me time, and this video is actually sponsored by Braun. I'm going to be talking to you guys in more detail about one of their amazing beauty tools a little bit later on into the video. They've also got an amazing Black Friday deal with up to 50% off at Amazon, so I will put more info about that in the description box below. So I'm going to take some time out this morning before my crazy weekend starts. I'm going to show you guys my kind of Saturday morning skincare routine. And then I've got a really fun weekend plan with friends' birthday teas, family birthday teas tomorrow as well. There's a lot going on, so I'm going to vlog it all for you guys. So let's head into the bathroom and I'll show you my Saturday morning skincare routine. Sometimes in the morning I'm a bit lazy with my skincare and I'll just do a quick Bioderma swipe and a bit of serum, but every now and again I like to kind of take the time out, spend time on my skin in the morning because it kind of sets me up for the rest of the day. It makes my makeup sit nicer, which makes me feel better. Well, I haven't done much talking yet this morning. I am very out of breath. So let me talk you through a quick morning skincare routine. I'm going to be using Drunk Elephant products. So first product I'm going to use is the No. 9 Jelly Cleanser. Really like this. Not sure I would repurchase it just because I've got other cleansers that I like equally as much, but it's very cool. Look, it's a real kind of jelly consistency. I'm just going to give my face a really good cleanse. Oh, and actually I love when I make the time to properly cleanse my face in the morning. It just feels so good. So as you can see, it kind of foams up on the skin. Goes white. Such a strange consistency. But it's a really, really nice cleanser. Very nice, gentle. Definitely a morning cleanse, I would say. So now I'm just going to use a muslin cloth, kind of warm water, and I'm going to remove that. My skin is not at its best at the moment, which is why I like to take a bit of extra time to look after it. It needs a bit of TLC, and I'll be showing you in the next step what I've been using to kind of amp up my skincare routine and give it that extra attention that it's clearly craving. So I'm just wiping all of that off. Always remember your neck, very important. Patting that dry. So next step for me, actually before I go on to the next step, I'm going to use a bit of eye cream. Again, something I often tend to forget. This is the Drunk Elephant Tango Multivitamin eye cream. I'm just going to do one pump onto my ring finger because that's the lightest finger. You don't want to press too hard. This is a really nice creamy eye cream. Very hydrating. Next step is going to be serum. This cleanser is very nice, but I do have that slightly tight feeling on my skin, so I definitely want to put in a lot of hydration, and I'm going to be mixing together the Drunk Elephant Intensive Hydration Serum, the blue one, with the C Firmer Day Serum, which is the vitamin C. I love these. These would be my two top picks from Drunk Elephant, so definitely going to be mixing those two together. I would just use that at night, but I love using this with it in the morning. And I'm also going to be introducing you guys to a new beauty tool that I've been using, which looks like this. And you've probably never seen anything like this before. When I first saw it, I was like, wow, this looks super fancy. Let me show you the box it came in. Obviously mine's open. I've been using it for a while now. It's the Braun Face Spa Pro, and I've really been enjoying this. So let me show you what it comes with inside, because it's kind of a three-way beauty tool. So you get the bottom part like this. Let me put on the head that it had on initially. So it looked like this, super smart, which I just think is great. It's such a good small size if you want to travel with it. Also, it's just so easy to store in your bathroom. Really smart packaging, I think. So if I take the lid off, it comes with a face epilator. So this is the Precision Epilator head, and it actually can remove hair which is 4 times shorter than waxing can remove. So you can really get those fine kind of unwanted hairs. It's such a small, delicate head, so it's perfect for, well, you can do eyebrows with it, you can do upper lip. It's so good for under chin, not gonna lie, I get hair there, you know, nothing to be embarrassed about. Also great for face. I just think this is so good. I've tried it and it works so well. This top bit just spins round. and then you could just kind of go for it like this or wherever you want to do it. So that's the epilator head. And then if I take that off, there is also a cleansing brush head. Really good, small size. I find that other cleansing brushes are too big for my face, and this is actually a really good size if you like cleansing brushes. And then the third head is one I'm really excited about, and one I'm going to demonstrate and show you today in this video. This is the third head. Look how cool this is. This is the micro vibration metal toning head, and it's inspired by Japanese skincare. It's designed to massage your skin and also help with the absorption of the products that you're using. So you get less product waste and you're left with like amazing rejuvenated skin. I've been using this and loving it. The head is really cooling because it's this like metal tip. There are two settings, let me show you. One's like less intense, one's more intense. Very subtle difference, but you can kind of decide which one you prefer. So how I use this, I'm going to show you now. This is all clean and ready for me to use. I am going to do a couple of pumps of the blue serum, one pump of the vitamin C, which is like much more like a runny serum. And then I'm just going to very gently press that into my skin. I'm not going to rub it in at all because that's what the product's going to do. And then it's also very cleverly got a timer on it, so it does it in like 20-second stints. So if I go, I can start massaging this into my skin, and I love a facial massage. I think it's so good to get like blood flow going and stuff. So I just work this serum into my skin using the vibrating head. So nice. I just really, so you see how it stopped? So now I can go on to the other side of my face. Really enjoy the process of this. It's going to stop again in a second, and then I can do the center of my face. It's really gentle on the skin, and I just love using it. There you go, I'm going to stop there. I'm just going to clean the head with a cloth. And the product it's in my skin. I don't need to work it into the skin anymore. I think it's a genius beauty tool. If you're into spending more time on your skincare, if you like a facial massage, I think you'll love this. I'll put all the details in the description bar below if you are interested. I'm very impressed, Braun, very impressed indeed. I am gonna finish off my skincare routine. The next step is moisturizer. This is the whipped cream formula from Drunk Elephant. I love this packaging. Look, you just like press it down and it comes out the top. You don't need much of this at all. It's a really intense moisturizer. Working that into the skin. You can really feel that my I just love massaging my skin. It really makes such a difference. Hopefully these spots will clear up soon. It's just one of those things. Okay, so that's it. Morning skincare routine done. It was just 1, 2, 3, 4 steps with like 2 products in one of the steps. What am I going to do now? I think I'm going to do my makeup and I'm going to get dressed. And then Rich has gone to the supermarket after the gym. He's gonna come back and we're gonna bake a cake because I need to bake a cake for my friend's birthday tea this afternoon, which we're apparently now hosting. We weren't meant to be, but now it's here. I'm totally not prepared, but I'm gonna try and make my mum's apple cake. Okay, I'm just gonna wrap Gemma's present. We got her a Whistles voucher. They put it in the bag, so I think I'm just gonna like wrap the bag because it's nice to open something on your birthday. Rich just spoke to my mum asking her something about apples, and she was like, what, you mean Lily hasn't started making the cake yet? In like a real panic voice. So now I feel like I should be panicking. So I'm gonna start making the cake. I have made this once before, but my mum was here like pretty much telling me what to do. So I don't have much hope this is gonna go well, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try my best. This is our super fancy corner cupboard, which I just love so much. This is where we keep our baking stuff. So I just got everything out that I need from there. Okay, Mary Berry's apple cake. Preheat oven, lightly grease cake tin, done. Measure the flour, baking powder, sugar, eggs, almond extract, and melted butter into a bowl. Okay, cake is in the oven. Fingers crossed. Our mixie thing is broken. One of the things keeps falling out. But also, I find this so heavy. I literally can't hold it whilst I'm mixing. So if anyone has any good recommendations for ones that aren't heavy, I'm definitely in the market for a new one. I told Rich I wanted to do some crudité with hummus and guacamole. He came back with a very interesting selection. I mean, yes to the celery, yes to the radish, yes to the carrots, maybe even yes to the peppers. Don't think I want raw broccoli or raw baby corn. He's also insisting that we cut the cabbage in half and put the hummus in it because he saw it in a YouTube video. So, I mean, I'm happy for you to try. But I'm gonna just go with the normal things and start cutting these up. And this is the plate we bought from Ibiza, so I'm excited to finally use this. Crudité done. Just covered it up for now. They're not coming over till later, so I'm gonna put that in the fridge. Okay, the cake is out. Now this is my grandpa. This was his favorite cake when he was alive. My mom's been making this forever, so I know it well. So observations so far, the top is a little too crispy than I would like. It doesn't look burnt, but it's harder than I would have liked. Also, it's just very thin. I didn't think there was enough mixture, but when I phoned my sister, she was like, it never feels like there's enough. I think it's because my tin was 25 centimeters instead of 20. I think I need to get a smaller one. So it's a thin little apple cake. Hopefully it'll taste okay. Now I need to figure out how to get it off this bottom thing. I would be terrible in the bake-off. Okay, it didn't stick to the bottom. It's such a success. You've got to celebrate the mini successes in life, you see. We're gonna make some fajitas for lunch because we have this fajita kit like left over from one of our dinners. And we're both pretty hungry, so we're gonna have some fajitas. Haven't had these in ages. Also, this kit really reminds me of uni. Oh, it's like a saucy one.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, I've made guacamole, which is just avocado, red onion, cherry tomatoes, salt and pepper. I've got crisps and crudité. Oh, this looks really nice. We got her present, we got some crisps. SJ's bringing scones and jam. This is the cake, which I really hope it's okay. When I was putting those candles in, they were like crunching in. I just hope the inside's all right. The crudité with Rich's little hummus cabbage thing, the guacamole, and then we've got some drinks. This is very civilized considering there's 6 of us and we're all very close friends. Happy birthday, dear Gemma. Happy birthday to you. Oh. You have to blow them out. Oh wait, I have to just wish. Make a wish. Oh my god, your wishes are so long.
Prayer. Cabbage.
She prays. Full on prayer going on.
The problem is since he was born, maybe longer.
Oh, she has to add another person to the list.
So much longer.
Yay! Okay, we've been chatting away. Happy birthday, Gemma. Do you feel older? Good.
Yeah, it was actually
Oh, thanks. My apple cake went down. Big success over here.
And the fact that we've discussed if you sprinkle a bit of sugar on it, it
Always makes a cake look better.
Yeah. And also,
Yeah.
did you show them this?
Rich's cabbage hummus. I don't know how I feel about that. Do you like it? Okay, we'll do that again then.
Rich, did you just make that up or was that?
He saw it on Instagram.
YouTuber.
Right, everyone's just left. It's 5:45. I am shattered. Literally in the last 15 minutes they were like, I think we should go. Lily seems to have lost her personality. I'm very tired. So we're gonna tidy up and I'm gonna get into my pajamas. I'm gonna get into my new onesie that I got from Hush Homeware. I'm very excited about that. And watch Strictly, did I say that? I don't know. I'll vlog again tomorrow. Good morning, I'm watching Anna's video because it's Sunday morning. It's always the first thing I do. Eating an apple, sorry, this is the new me. I eat a lot of apples. And just finishing off my makeup before I do my hair. I actually put up my announcement video this morning and I'm so overwhelmed by the response. Like obviously I knew that there'd be lots of people watching it and commenting, but it's so, I still just can't believe that it's my life where I can tell so many people my news and like getting thousands of comments, of lovely comments. So thank you so much. I'm completely overwhelmed. I'm very happy and excited, but there's also like that element of, remember that feeling I told you when I like told Rich's family and my family, and it makes you a bit like nervous. it's that times a lot more. I'm like, wow, a lot of people know now, so that's quite scary, but really exciting. So thank you for anyone who watched that video and commented. I'm just gonna do my hair. I'm in a bit of a rush actually. My sister wants to go to our little like local market. I didn't leave the house yesterday, which is terrible. I didn't realise, so I'm definitely gonna go out and get some fresh air and go for a walk this morning. Look what my sister's made for tonight. Toffee apples that apparently are so hard they're gonna break our teeth, but look how cool they look.
Hello everyone, this is the Rich Takeover. Lily's having a nap, so you've got me for a bit. I'm now prepping for the kids' fireworks night, which is happening at like 4 o'clock, so it's not really night time. So I've just made some sticky onions for the hot dogs, because we're having hot dogs and then we're having potato skins with cheese and bacon. Yum. Lots of carbs and stuff. But I want to show you what I've just made so far. Sticky onions, which is my favourite bit. As you see here, just keeping them warm. So what I've done is roasted the onions, then I added ketchup, some Worcester sauce, lots of sugar, mixed it all in, roasted it for another 10 minutes, and then hey, you've got this lovely stickiness. And then I'll heat these up when the kids come over.
Walking to the market this morning completely knocked me out, so I've been lying on the sofa napping. Now we're having
25.
now we're having family over for my brother-in-law's birthday and for fireworks. Oh, we're doing hot dogs, hot chocolate, and some sparklers, which I keep calling sprinklers. We've got, no, don't jump at me. We've got potato skins, stuffed potato skins that we need to cook, hot dog buns, the best sausages from Giggly Pig, cheesecake, potato skins are looking good, and Jojo's starting to make hot dogs for the kids. Now we're making hot chocolate. It will go on the stove once we've done the mixing. Everyone's just left and I can't explain, the chaos in my family is just like amped up a gear. Like I don't know why, and it's because the kids have got a bit older now. It's mental. Like our kid will never know what it's like to like, when Bailey was born, the first one, we were all just like gathered round and like cooed over him. Now, our kid's just gonna get like bashed around and dropped. It's so loud. And like, there was actually a really cute moment there where they all were dancing to Michael Jackson, which I didn't film because they're all getting a bit older now and it's a bit weird vlogging them. It's sweet, but just chaos. They've just left and it's like, oh my God, we were meant to be doing Christmas here this year, but I actually don't know if we can because our house is all like open plan. There's nowhere to like shove the kids away. Like at my parents' house, they can go in a different room. I just don't think it would work. I'm so tired. I like struggled to keep up conversation at 6 o'clock. Shattered. Rich has been amazing and tidied up the kitchen. My grandma was just like, you are so lucky. He's like, it's like having a Mary Poppins, she said. Rich, you are Rich Poppins. I'm gonna end the vlog here because I'm just gonna like go lie on the sofa and watch Strictly again. So yeah, if you want to know about anything that I spoke about or worn or anything in this vlog, check down in the description box. There will be info again on the Braun product mentioned at the beginning of this video. So thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.